Sorry we're late.
She's not waiting.
You can't fight that thing by yourself. Just stand back and watch us do our stuff.
Hey, stand back. You're in the way.
Justice prevails. Just kidding. Hey, this is pretty nice. This is the perfect accessory for you. Thoughtful on the outside, but burning with passion on the inside. It's pretty rare, so you can show it off to all your classmates.
You sure?
Of course.
I can't take this.
Huh? Why?
You guys kept saving me. I didn't do anything at all. I was so scared I couldn't even move. I don't deserve to get an item like that.
I think there's a misunderstanding here. It turned out to be an easy victory thanks to you.
Huh?
The monster's attention was focused on you because you didn't run away. So we were able to keep attacking. You watched, right? I'm sure you noticed.
Really?
Yes, really. It takes a lot of courage for a beginner to face a boss monster. You played a really important part in that battle. You were amazing. Now do you understand that you deserve it?
Thanks, mister. I'm... Thanks so much.
Cute little story you made up there. She helped out because she couldn't move during a battle.
She just started playing the world, so I wanted her to have fun. I'm sorry that I gave her that item without asking you first.
That's okay, but Kuhn...
I didn't know you had a thing for younger girls. She's much too young for you.
Hey, her being young had nothing to do with it. I'm a champion to all female players.
Hey, Kuhn!
Huh? What are you ladies doing here?
We saw you in town and came after you so we could join up.
She's in grade school, right?
What?
We've been watching from the battle.
What?
I can't believe you took advantage of a little girl.
You jerk!
Come on.
What? Wait a sec. It's a misunderstanding. I wasn't.
Things like that happen sometimes, mister.
Yeah, mister.
You can get depressed later.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is for you.
All right! We finished the quest! That was easy!
What's wrong with you? Why are you yelling?
Huh? But I'm always like this, aren't I? Right, Haseo?
Yeah?
Well, it's not like I did anything wrong. I just wanted her to enjoy the world, so everything's good. Man, everything was great until midway. Why did it end that way? It's so unfair.